welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. How's it going? I hope you're doing really well. Today I've just had a delivery. I am going to be trying muscle food. The muscle food plan I'm trying is the Do the Unthinkable plan, and yeah, this has just been delivered literally 5 minutes ago. It was delivered by DPD, and there's two big boxes. This one's really heavy, that one is not. I have got a discount code for you guys that you can get £5 off the plan. And the one I've got is the 5 days weekend off, which is £2 a meal, and works out at £60 a week. Plus, so you get 5 breakfasts, 5 dinners, 5 lunches, 15 snacks, and £314 of extras for free. But we'll talk more about that later. Let's just get open these boxes because I want to see what's in them. So that's why we're filming in the kitchen today. So this order is complete and it's got a little smiley face on it. Goodness. Okay. So I've got all the packaging doodads. And then there is the... Right. I'm gonna... Oh my goodness. It's a big bag. Okay, so we've got Muscle Food, the Perfect Christmas Feast. There's all Christmas things in there. And there's some vouchers. And yeah, there's just vouchers, so we will look at them later. Let's just get into it. Okay, the reason this is heavy is because it is full of ice packs. So it's all properly done. Now, this is for me and Ben. For the week, we are both going to be doing it for the week. It's Monday today, so we're going to start it tomorrow on Tuesday. I will try and film everything that I eat. Obviously Ben works, so he probably won't be able to film everything, but I am going to try and get him to remember to take pictures of things as he eats things, and then I will film everything on Saturday. So we were told to choose what we wanted, and we've chosen them. I can't remember what we've chosen, but we're gonna get it. Right, get rid of all these ice packs to start with. Okay, so I'm just going to grab things as I find them. So these are all, I think they're all frozen now, and then you put them all in the freezer and then you cook from frozen basically. So this is a Muscle Food high protein chicken tikka masala ready meal with rice and veggies. Then we've got a original rice and chicken bowl, and again it's just rice, chicken, it looks like carrots and broccoli. And again, this is a cook from frozen. Ben has got scrambled egg, so 2 lots of scrambled egg. I didn't choose scrambled egg, so that's definitely Ben's. I will sort it out into what we've got, and then I will, I'll put in probably put them down below exactly what our meal plan is for the week, so you can get an idea. We've got another chicken and rice pot. We've got a sweet chili chicken ready meal, so it's got the chili sauce. They're really nice big portions. I was expecting them to be much smaller than this, but they're really nice big portions. So it's chicken breast rice, cauliflower, broccoli, and a sweet chili sauce. Oh, this is my one. This is chicken satay. Chicken satay with rice, green beans, and red peppers. That sounds amazing. Look at all those veggies. I'm so excited. Another chicken tikka masala. Chili black bean chicken. That looks really nice. Again, that's just chicken, rice, carrots, broccoli, and black bean sauce. Oh, we've got a Chinese chicken curry portion for one, and that you just put that in the fridge or the freezer. I don't know. I'll have to have a look and see where I'm meant to put everything. But that has got that all in there. We've got a chili beef stir fry, 1 portion. We've got a chicken tikka curry, 1 portion. Another Chinese chicken curry. I think we got a couple of the same evening meals so that we can just like eat together and like sort of compare. A chicken chow mein pot. I think this was Ben's. And then it's just like all your veggies and stuff. That's another one cooked from frozen. A chicken balti pot. That looks really nice. I think that's Ben's as well. Sweet chili chicken, another one. Chicken tikka masala, another one. Teriyaki salmon, that's Ben's because I don't eat salmon. And then we've got a high protein Thai green curry meal. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 12 of these ready meals. And then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these ones. And then we're gonna get this other box open and see what's in here. Oh! Oh wow! This is like all the snacky things, I think. So, what have we got? Right. We've got make one change, and it's like a little binder. Oh, and it's got like all ingredients. That sounds amazing. A breakfast burrito bowl. Plush. It's got all recipe cards. There's absolutely loads of recipe cards in there. That's amazing. That's awesome. We've got the Do the Unthinkable plan, which this is the exercise DVD, which we will have a go at. Oh, I'm a little bit scared. Exercise DVDs always scare me, but I did do the 30-day shred and I loved that eventually. I hated doing it when I did it, but then I loved it. As soon as I finished doing it, I was like, yeah! So I'm sure I'll feel the same way about this. Welcome to your new lifestyle, and it's got the Do the Unthinkable, and it tells you all about it in here. I'm excited to read that. This is, oh, it's got a personal trainer for the next 12 weeks. Because you get like your DVD and then you can get a personal trainer as well. And what is this? Oh, this is like a training, transform your body and life in just 90 days. So you've got phase 1, the base, which is that DVD I've got, phase 2, the next level, and phase 3, the peak. And then it's got your exercise tracker, like your measurements and stuff, so you can track your progress, which is good. Now let's get into the snacks. There is a lot in here. Can't remember. I'm going to have to go through and remember what we both chose. We've got some hippies. Cheese love hippies. We've got some Proteinium. Oh, these are pork scratchings. I like that because it's like a... Oh, what's it called? The table, periodic table, isn't it? Like that. We've got some salt and vinegar hippies. We've got some protein popcorn, a couple of those. More pork scratchings for Ben because he loves pork scratchings. I've got Ben some vanilla popcorn. They're really big bags. When it said like you have to pick snacks, like, just going to give you an example. Like, this is the normal bag of popcorn that I will have as a snack. And then this is the... So you get a really nice big portion. You're not going to be hungry, I don't think. What else have we got? We've got some... popped potato chips with added protein, banging barbecue mountain chips. Some more hippies, more mountain chips. I don't think I got any of these, but I wish I had now. They look mega. Sweet chili flavoured mountain chips. Oh my goodness, so much in here. So much. Lean beef jerky, and this is like a snack, so you get 3 snacks a day, I think. So it's like, that is a really good size snack of jerky. I think that's Ben's as well. I'm regretting my decisions. I want jerky. I'm just going to steal them. He won't even know, just don't tell him. He got some olives. These are Ollie olives, and this is chili and rosemary green olives. He loves olives. I don't, but he is a massive fan. Oh, there's 2 lots of jerky, so maybe I did have some sense and pick some. What are you? These are barbecue zippers, high protein flavoured snack. I think they're Ben's. I don't know what they are. I don't like barbecue things, really. But yeah. My snacks were more sweet, I think. So we've got some protein crunchers, high protein, gluten-free, no added sugar, chocolate little crunchy things. They look really good. They look like little cornflake cakes. And then we've got chocolate decadence protein bar. Dark chocolate mint like protein bar. This is mine because dark chocolate and mint. Yes, please. We've got an original flapjack, a Trek original flapjack. We've got a cookies and cream protein bar. We've got a milk chocolate and caramel bar. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. We've got more mountain chips. We've got a high protein chocolate chip cookie. Another cookies and cream bar. Oh my goodness. I think mostly for my breakfast, I just chose porridge for my breakfast. More popcorn, another Trek bar, some white chocolate of those little like things that look like cornflake cakes, another mint bar, and then gingerbread porridge, golden syrup porridge, peanut porridge, and then 2 chocolate porridges. I think Ben only chose 1 porridge, from what I remember. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My little kitchen can't cope. What's here? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, okay. So Ben got a beef lasagna to try, which looks awesome. And it's got all these like veggies. It's got like squash and courgette and peppers and green beans. That is like a hefty wad of lasagna. That's massive. Then he also got a couple of these. These are huge as well. These are marinated chicken breasts on a stick. The spicy marinated. They are massive portions. These are humongous as a snack. And then I forgot about these. We ordered the 2 of the protein pizzas, so we can have pizza night one night. Wow. Whew, I'm knackered after doing all that. It's a good job I'm doing a diet thing, because if that knackers me out, I need something, don't I? Wow. That is a lot of food. So we are going to start this tomorrow. I am just going to put this away, and then we'll have a really quick little chat about the pricing and stuff of the different options. And then it's just going to be a week of vlogs, and then we'll come back in a week and see how much weight we've lost. I will put our weights on the screen now. We've just been on holiday and had lots of beer and cake, so don't judge the weights now, and we'll see how we can do in a week. But I'm going to put this away, and then we will come back. Okay guys, so all the muscle food is in the freezer and in the fridge and away where it needs to be. It's also, I sorted it all out, so we got mine and Ben's separately, so we know what we're having. And I thought I would just quickly tell you what my week of food is for 5 days. For my breakfast, I'm having gingerbread porridge, chocolate porridge, crunchy peanut butter porridge, flapjack, and then a high protein triple chocolate cookie. Then my morning snacks are caramel high-low bar, a mint bar, a cookies and cream bar, a yum high protein crunchy milk chocolate, and then 1 sweet chili mountain chips. Lunches, I've got a satay chicken rice pot, black bean rice pot, chicken tikka rice pot, chicken rice pot, and then chicken style chicken curry, Chinese style chicken curry mix. Then my afternoon snack, I've got hippies, cheese puffs, high protein pork scratchings, simply salted popcorn, a jerky, and another mint bar. Then dinners, I've got sweet chili chicken, chicken tikka rice pot, a chicken and rice pot, chicken tikka pizza, and then an easy cook chicken tikka masala curry kit. And then for my evening snacks, I've got 2 lots of popcorn, some white chocolate crunchers, some salt and vinegar hippies, and some cheese hippies. And that is my week. I won't go through all of Ben's because you saw what it was. Everything else is Ben's. I am super excited to try this. As I said, I do have a discount code to get £5 off the plan. I will link it all down below, and I'll put my discount code on the screen for you now. But yeah, we are going to do this for the next 5 days. I will vlog my week, and as I said, Ben will take pictures if he remembers, but he does have to work, so he may not always be able to take pictures, and it's just not his lifestyle. His lifestyle is not for vlogging, my lifestyle is vlogging. So I will make sure I film everything that I eat this week and show you guys and let you know what things I really like, and hopefully I will lose some weight this week because I need to get off this holiday weight. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a week when we can see the results. Bye guys.